you don't hear from me, it's because I gave you one for Lent. This next match was bound to happen. Crazy rivalry we got here. Hurricane Tiger going against London Belvedere. And here we go. Hurricane Tiger's punching into London. Looks like a pint of cauliflower. Puts him up on the top rope. What's he? With that post raisin bread power driver. Dumped him right on his neck. He's going to cost him an injury. Put a Busako knee by London Belvedere. A crazy reply. That rebuttal was outstanding. And now he's going to take advantage of this. A big drop. He landed his body awkwardly on top of that center block. And that center block, I know, crushed his wrist. He's going to have x-rays after this match. He's going to need that immediately. And now the insults with the barbed wire. The barbed wire effect. Oh my goodness. He's hardcore. Now the blood is leaking. The blood is splattered everywhere. He's going for the count. This could be over. No, Hurricane Tiger says not yet. Not just yet. JBL clothesline. And now he's carving away. He's carving London Belvedere's face all over that barbed wire. Look at the blood. Hurricane Tiger's preparation for this match. He was wrestling in alligators last week in Florida. South Florida, they're being set. Oh my, and Eddie Guerrero Frog Splash can win this. No! London Belvedere gets up immediately. He had Quaker oatmeal this morning and a meat drop punch. Oh, almost like a Superman punch, but he hit him with that Deaton Watson's ham. And the hooligans is loving it. And now he's trying to end things right now. He's going to end this rivalry right now with those steel steps. Diamond cutter! A diamond cutter! There was two back-to-back, and this one's a closed casket at the funeral. And London Belvedere with the victory over Hurricane Tiger. What an intense match! This was crazy. What the? What's going on? Who cut the lights? Oh my God! Purple Yoshi! Purple Yoshi with the ambush on London Belvedere. Best friends once and now the enemies.